Hey everyone. Last time I forgot the elimination. So it's a double elimination. Goodbye, guys. Anyway, today's challenge is musical chairs. You should know how this works. Music will play. When the music stops, run to the chair. Last one there loses. Jump cut. If you're the first one out, you got 4 points. If you're the second one out, you got 9 points. If you're the third or fourth one out, you got 12 points. And if you're the winner, you got 14 points. Okay, let's randomize the loser. Sorry, Top Cat. Wait! Time to vote a recommended character to join. Vote